Hi there, this is Rob from 8791 Networks, and this is part 7, last video in a series, Affiliate Marketing for Beginners. So if you've watched my prior 6 videos, they sort of walk through a general process flow. And this last video, what I want to go through is where to go from here. So what do you do now? How do you start? What are some useful resources to get you started in affiliate marketing? So a couple of jumpstart strategies, sort of going to give you these tips. One, learn from your competition. Use your competition as a mentor. Look at the type of content that they're developing, their advertisements. Search for some similar terms in Google or Yahoo. See what types of ads other people are running. Take action quickly. Nothing happens if you don't take action. The rule of thumb I sort of use is spend 25% on learning and 75% on doing, and stay consistent in the long run. So set up some dedicated time and space for your productivity in the business. So now this presentation I have put together, what I'm going to do is give you some checklists here, and the presentation will be available for you to download. Just take a look at the description in the video below. So how do you get started? So here's a basic checklist. First thing you got to do is actually get your account set up. So join a content program, and most of my prior videos I talked about ClickBank. So go ahead, join ClickBank. Find yourself an email marketing or autoresponder landing page creator program. I talked about GetResponse and ClickFunnels in my prior video. Join an advertising network. This would be like either Microsoft ads, Google ads, Facebook ads. So that way you can start promoting your content and start thinking about the niche or the type of content you want to promote. So those are sort of the first things you want to do is get your account set up. Now, this page here, this is more a reference for you. It further describes GetResponse, ClickFunnels, ClickBank. I've talked about these programs before, and I also have some links here. These are affiliate links, so by me promoting these options to you, I would get some type of small commission for that. But again, they're very, very good tools. I highly recommend them. And so once you get everything set up, you really need to start training yourself. This 7-part series I have here is really just a high-level overview of what the process looks like. So your next step now is to get some more in-depth training. ClickBank has their own training that they offer. There's also a program affiliated with ClickBank called ClickBank University. I have that right here, a link to that. Then you want to start training on your email marketing or autoresponder program. GetResponse has a lot of great internal training videos, which are really helpful. They help me a lot. ClickFunnels also has very good training. There's a program out there called the Affiliate Bootcamp. I recommend that as well. And then there's just general training. You can take a look at YouTube. I also did a training on Udemy about affiliate marketing. That was very helpful. Also look for super affiliates. There's guys out there. John Crestani is one. Sean Bagheri. Look these guys up on YouTube. They have a lot of great information on their pages about affiliate marketing. So again, here I have some links to some of those I was just talking about. YouTube, Udemy, ClickBank University. Affiliarama is another affiliate marketing training site that has a wealth of information you can look at. The Super Affiliate System by John Crestani. This is more of a high dollar program, but he has a lot of systems already set up and streamlines much of the process for you. And the Affiliate Bootcamp is very similar, but that's funneled around using the ClickFunnels platform to build quick and profitable sales funnels. So if you're really looking to get started, maybe you have $1,000 budget or so, and you really want a crash course and jump in, the Super Affiliate System and the Affiliate Bootcamp are really great programs you can start with. So once you get signed up and you start training now, you got to actually start doing something. So find some ClickBank content to promote, pick some vendors, review their pages, start getting your affiliate links and content together. In some future videos, I have some files I've created which have really helped me out. I'll get some links up to those here once I get some videos out on those. But that can be some useful resources for you. Start creating landing pages, create your own email list, start setting up some autoresponders, create some advertisements. Either maybe you could start marketing to friends or family, set some pay-per-click advertising up. Uh, just start getting your information out there so that people are aware of what it is you're advertising and continue learning. That's key. A lot of people, they'll learn something and then they won't keep learning. So once you start doing all this, one of the biggest things people forget to do is to actually monitor their progress and start adjusting. You know, start tracking some of your links, taking a look at what you're doing, monitor your performance, and adjust as necessary. Um, Keep to a budget, stick to that budget. Occasionally go through and check your programs. Make sure there aren't broken links or landing pages missing things. I found out I accidentally deleted an image off one of my servers and it was gone for several days on one of my landing pages. Another great thing you can do is start learning more about tracking IDs, link tracking, to help better understand how your customers are interacting with your pages. So that's a really quick and dirty couple of checklists that you can go through to help you get started with affiliate marketing. I hope you found the content valuable. Again, please like, subscribe, donate if you feel it was worthwhile. Again, look in the video description and I'll have a link to this presentation so you can download it and keep it for your reference. I hope the video series was informational, at least gave you an overview of sort of what it takes to start affiliate marketing and to get involved. Again, you can go much more in depth or you can keep it a little lighter and you don't have to do exactly everything that I mentioned here. But the important thing is get started and start learning for yourself and start to take those steps. So I wish you all the best. Until future videos, take care.